Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today I'm going to show you a cool new storage trick, how to get the most out of your bacon. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 packs left because I already tried this once, and this is a Ziploc bag that you're able to use if you want to. You can still freeze it, and you have the reusable, which is great there. Or what you can do is you can get these reusable sandwich bags, which are really great for the same thing. You can see my wife paid at Home Goods $4.99 for these, and we get 6 of these. So you can use whatever, or you can use food saver bags. But having the reusable, which are great to have, and like I said in kind of the intro, this hack is so great because if you're able to buy the bacon like we have here, 4 of them for $15, it comes to be like $3.75. Versus if you go to Kroger's or somewhere else, you'll be spending $4 and like 65 cents to almost $8 depending on the brand, and they're all of them are 1 pound. So this is a great deal to save for a rainy day. And the great thing is if you're saving all this, you have to bring it out unthawed. At least with the Ziploc bag or the reusable bags, you can come in here to say, oh, it's just me and my wife. I can just pull out how many pieces of bacon I want, 2 or 3 or just 1. So it's a great way and a great hack to kind of make this stuff last longer, so you don't have to just unthaw it and go through everything. And what you're going to now need for this hack is to show you is parchment paper. We got this at Costco because it's their Kirkland brand. And what we're going to do is we'll put it on time lapse. Is first things first on our table here, we're going to spread this out. And then what we're going to do is when we open one of these bacons, we're going to do individual pieces. So we're going to put it down there and show you, just to kind of do a few of them for you. So what we'll do is when you're laying it out, you are going to want to leave them, give some space. Now, I'm not going to zoom out all the way, but what we'll do, you're going to want to give about almost a good inch, so when we put the second layer over the top and we roll it, it gives us to able to trim it like we were able to do with these bags. So that's what we're going to do. So now what we're going to do is put this on time lapse and knock this all out for you. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to show you. All you're going to do is just kind of roll it like this. And then come over, cut in between. Now I know some people are going to say maybe it's a lot of work or maybe a waste of parchment or that, but me and my wife have actually been doing this for a couple months, and it's actually helped us out tremendously actually during some holidays and stuff where we didn't want to run out to the store to grab stuff, grab bacon, but we had it frozen, so we were able to do it this way instead of having to use the whole pack or food saver it. Having it in the Ziploc bags was kind of great. So then you just trim up all the other stuff you got to trim up, and then what we're going to do is put them in the bag. Now I know I still have some more baking I'm going to do, but I'll do that off camera. But just to kind of show you, you're just going to take these, throw them in there. You don't have to get all perfect on them, because even when they're frozen or in the refrigerator, they don't really stick, which is kind of a nice thing. And there we go. Just get all the air out of there as much as we can. This is where you can actually use a food saver if you wanted to. But yeah, and then Depending what you want, you can just get a label and just stick it right on top and peel it off, or just right on there, whatever, if you're going to use this for the same thing. But now what we're going to do is off camera, I'm going to finish doing this one and the other two, and we'll come back to you at the end of the video. All right, so we're going to wrap this video up for you guys, and I hopefully you guys appreciate this cool little trick slash hack we were able to come with putting the bacon. And it's worked out fabulous for us when, you know, you have that whole pound and you're trying to, you know, use a big food saver bag and you're trying to like cut it and go through all that hassle. And I just think this is such an easier way. Yes, it's a little time consuming, but once you do it, it doesn't take no time at all. So then you could pull it out of the freezer, let it unthaw for about 15 minutes is what we do. And then we're able to either cook it in a frying pan or on the grill or microwave, however you're going to cook it. But it kind of cuts down on the waste, because sometimes, you know, maybe if you don't seal it just right in the food saver bag, you might get some air and you might miss out on the date and where you don't use it, to where then you're throwing it away. At least with this, you're able to keep it in the freezer all the time and pull out what you need. And that's what I think this is such a great thing, because like I said, with the price of inflation has gone up with everything from bacon to eggs to ground chuck to chicken, and who knows what else is going to be coming on the horizon. So being able to get bacon in bulk, like which we're able to at Costco and at Sam's Club, to get, you know, pretty much, you know, 4 pounds for $15, which, like I said, $3.75 is a great deal, and we really enjoy this bacon. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little trick, and hopefully it will help you. And if you do this, let me know in the comment section, or in the thumbnail when I post this on Instagram. You know, maybe tag me in a picture that you guys were able to use this. So let me know. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you guys down the road.